Hi everyone, this is Armen from ArmensCraftRoom. Thanks for joining me today for our third and final Park Lane Ephemera unboxing. Today's box will be the neutrals. This contains like a vintagey cream color, black and gold foil. There are 563 pieces of ephemera in this box. There's acetate, chipboard, cardstock, and vellum ephemera in here. There's quite a few uses for this. If you have like Tim Holtz products, particularly like the paper dolls or other ephemera that's vintagey similar to the Tim Holtz ephemera, I think this will go really well with it. I've paired mine at the end. I've got a Christmas card paired with some Tim Holtz 2024 Christmas ephemera and the gold foil fern leaves from this packaging, and I think they go really well together. Other than that, I would recommend having almost like a neutral for anything with the cream base. It's an unusual color. I didn't have any cardstock that color. It's not really a vanilla. It's not really an off-white. So I think that it would be very challenging perhaps to end up getting an exact match to the cream base that's on some of these cardstock. It's almost like an almond, slightly cooked cream color. Other than that, a lot of beautiful ephemera in here. If you are having any type of wedding where gold foil or cream or black is part of your color grouping, this would be absolutely wonderful kit to go through and add to either your thank you cards or your save the dates, assuming you didn't want them to match, or even if you have like a scrapbook, maybe you went scrapbook option for the wedding or any of the events leading up to or after the wedding, these could be really nice in there as well. I did purchase this on a Doorbuster special at Joann over Memorial Day. I have seen it on Doorbuster since then, so if it's something you're looking into and you wanted to save some money, I would recommend waiting for a Doorbuster, as it tends to go half off, which is a really great deal per piece when you think about it. I thought that the gold foil ephemera from this kit went really nicely with the Christmas collection from Tim Holtz from last year. I think that if you have any of his products, I think this particular box of ephemera will go really well because it's neutral. It has that vintage feel to it. They're very classy combination. It's very nostalgic looking. If you enjoyed this video, please like and consider subscribing. It really helps the video get out to more people, which helps my channel grow. If you would like to see more in-depth process videos and project inspirations, other unboxings and tutorials, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you can be one of the first people. I understand the math of what 1678 is. However, I did not realize exactly how much space it would take up in my craft room until I unboxed them, sorted them by style, and put them in. As you can see, I've got, flowers, and in their own container, I've got a container of sentiments, a container of stuff that's clearly meant for a day planner or journal, and the list goes on. So I have found that it's very wonderful to have these out in these open top containers. These fit into a rolling cart in my craft room, so I can keep them near my crafty desk. And when I'm needing a random sentiment, or I just need a little bit extra piece of ephemera, and perhaps I'm not using a stamp set, or don't have a stamp that looks good with what I'm doing, or don't want to take the time to stamp or emboss or something, I can pull this over and get something really cute really easily. It's clearly going to make so many cards. If you would like to see me use any of these 1678 pieces in projects, I will be doing tutorials and project inspiration videos, so please subscribe if you'd like to see those. If you'd like to be the first to see them, please subscribe with the notifications. Everybody, here it is. This is the final organized containers with the Park Lane boxes of ephemera in colors bright, pastel, and neutral. This is a total of 1,678 pieces of ephemera. The gold foil fern leaves that you see are from this Park Lane Neutrals ephemera box. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my unboxing. I really appreciate you spending this time with me, and I hope to see you here on the channel again soon.